Hello and welcome. I'm Janet Cartwright and I'm here for day 3 of working with Encircled in Nature. I'm glad you've come to join me here. Um, just a reminder of upcoming classes, August 12th, 20th, and 28th. Had to think about that one. And then starting in August, the first Wednesday in August, I will be doing YouTube Live. So come and join me on my channel, Stamping with Janet, and say hello and craft with me. I would love your company. And you only have until tonight at 11:59 p.m. to earn your $6 coupons every time you purchase $60 worth of product from Stampin' Up. And then you cash those coupons in August. So you only have until 11:59 tonight. So if you haven't placed your order, do so today, do it soon. If you would like me to help you with your order, I would be more than happy to do that. Let me turn you down and let's get started. Card number 3 for Encircled with Nature. Okay, so today I am using Crumb Cake and Early Espresso. Very fun card. So Crumb Cake and this time this card is going this way, and Portrait. Then this is Early Espresso, and I'm going to put it through this embossing folder. It's Dashing Designs 163789. I don't know if you can tell on here, like there's triangles, squares, dots and dashes, fun designs. So I'm going to go over to my Stampin' Cut and Emboss Big, my Big Boss, and just run through this folder very quickly with the right plates. This is a 3D folder, so it only needs 2 plates, number 1 and number 4. So I will bring these over to show you. Because it's a 3D, we need plate number 1, then the 3D folder with your cardstock, and then plate number 4, and put that through your Big Boss. And that's because the 3D folders are, of course, thicker. There we go. Love it. So I'm not going to glue this one down. I made that mistake yesterday, glued it before I was ready. So we'll just pop that over there. Then I took the 1 die and cut that one out. So this one right here. So isn't that die incredible? It's so fun. And I'm debating whether or not I want to color all these bulbs a light Early Espresso. We'll see. So with this, I'm going to put it maybe a little, put it all together first. This is Cajun Craze. And this is made with, where'd you go? Oh, okay, well that's fun. Right here, didn't make it back in my case with this one here. So as you can see, there are 2 in here, but they're not joined at the bottom or the top. So they will do 2 at a time. So that's what I did. I went through once with Cajun Craze and then once with Garden Green. So I'm thinking I would like to pop this behind and this behind, and maybe popping up a little bit more. Then I'm going to bring these ones down here and go like this. And then I have here the huge thank you. So I'm just going to put this in early espresso right here on my white because it's going to have a background of early espresso. Put that up there so I don't put my fingers in it. So I like to kind of put the card together. Is everyone else seeing this little pop dot here? I like to kind of plan out where or how my card is going to go. But I do know this is going to have a little background. So let's just, or a mat. Let's just put this right away on the mat. So we can see it all sides. Then I'm going to use my big scissors, my long scissors. There we go. And this is going to go right here and hide those two. So do I want to bring it down a little bit and leave the top open a little? Because you know, sometimes we want to do that, right? And I think today's one of those days. So let me look at these early espresso. Because if I don't have a marker for early espresso, that kind of answers that question, doesn't it? So I do not see anything that's, nope. I do not see an early espresso. Well, that kind of answers that question then. Well, I have the ink. And I do have my blends. So, you know what? I'm going to color one of these down here. So if I'm not liking the look, I can hide it. So let me know what you think. So let's, first of all, move this over. Oh, where's my silicone mat? Oh, I just had it out. There you are. Okay, now let's see what we, not a fan, not a fan. Okie dokie. That's how you know if you like things, you try them out. So I don't think I will like that. Now, see, now it blends in too much. So let's put this down. We're going to put dots of glue on many of these. I know they're not bulbs. Well, maybe they are. Just ready to burst forth with lots of color. And now being summertime, there's lots of color everywhere and I absolutely love it. I'm one that loves color, not overwhelming on everything, but you know, you've got a nice green lawn and then you've got a pop of yellow flowers or pink flowers or I don't like busy, but I like some color. Okay, I think we have enough dots of glue here. I think I'm actually just having fun making dots. Okay. We got lots. Hopefully we've got enough. This will do its own thing. So this is a portrait card. Here we are. Have I mentioned that I love my Take Your Pick tool? So let's put this maybe down around there. Like where it is, give it a little push. There we go. So everywhere that has glue should be sticking. Except you, but I think you're going to be covered. So we're going to tuck these ones behind, and I'm just going to glue the bottoms because I want them to stick up a little bit. Yes, and most people do put them in before you glue it down. There we go. Then we'll come in with the other side and pick up our little guys here that are in Very Vanilla. Pick this one up. There we go. Now we'll do the same with the other side. Do the bottom 3. And then see how we just sneak that in there. There we go. And then with our greens, our garden greens, we need to cover that up. So we're going to put these right there. This time I think we'll put some more glue, or glue on more of the on the leaves, on the pieces. And then right across. So we have some nature vine. You know how when you go in the forest and you have all sorts of plants in one area? It's awesome. And I am not able to recognize, like name a lot of plants, but I love going through and seeing all the different types that are in the forest and how pretty some of them are. There we go. Then let's close this stamp pad. Here is my thank you. We're going to put it there on Pop Dots. Dimensionals. These will definitely fit 2 big dimensionals. And right across the bottom. Now before we put our bling on, let's cover these up a little bit. Here it is. And let's put this on our background. Now because this does have some design to it, I'm going to put some through the middle. And here we go. There, isn't that fun? Love it. And this could be a sympathy card, it could be a get well card, could be anything. It doesn't have to be a thank you. Absolutely anything. Then I took out my bling. There it is, it's hiding. And my twine, that's right. I was going to put twine behind that huge thank you. So let's carefully pull that up. There we go. Okay, so what I want to do is pull that off. I'm not too worried about it because that will be hiding. But I'm going to put a glue dot right in the middle. And that'll be for this twine to stick to. So, I'm going to make a bow. And I want a nice big one if I can do it. Did not give myself enough twine, so let's leave more twine. Oh, you want to only fold one way, do you? Okay. There we go. Around. Okay, so let's make this one bigger. Okay, so we can cut that. Now, for what I want, is that going to be big enough? I want it to come out either side of my saying. So let's put this on our glue dot and pull these up. Oh, you're gonna twist. Okay, that's okay. And then put these 2 strings down. Give them a little extra push. Okay, now yeah, that one's a little too big. So which side do I pull? I think it's this one. Give it a good pull. There we go. You are determined to turn over, aren't you? Let's put, oh, so glue dot there is not going to make any difference. I was thinking if I put a glue dot there, it might stop turning over. And then we can put this back down, more in the middle. That looks like a pair of bunny ears, doesn't it? What about a double bow then? So if we make another loop, and put that down. No, I am so not liking this one. So we're going to pull that up. I'm going to take the glue off, or maybe just snip that off. Let's try again. Oh, wrong pair of scissors. Maybe I won't make it as big. Maybe that's what was bothering me. I am being challenged by a bow. I know, I'll do what a friend does. She makes 2 bunny ears and then ties her bow. Maybe that's the trick for today. There we go. I am liking that better. So there you go, folks. There's your trick for today. Make some bunny ears. Okay, and then there's still a glue dot on here. Have them both peek up. There. Except now I put it on the wrong side. Okay, switch. put an extra glue dot on there just for fun, to make sure it stays. There we go. Goodness gracious. I don't know when I've last had such a challenge with glue dots and twine. Okay, so let's put it on that side up. There we go. Much better. Much better. And we'll trim these off. And there we go. Now, with the bling, I've just gotten these in this week's package, Blooming Pearls. These are 162238. And I have not put the colors on them yet. Get these looked after. Aren't these awesome? This one here, this one pretty in pink, I'm thinking. Shy Shamrock. Not coming up with that one, but we're going to use these gold ones here, because I thought against the early espresso, it would make it pop. So let's do one over here by Huge Thank You. And let's do 2 in here. So fun. Now for the inside, let's look at the stamp set. I might decide to leave it blank. A Huge Thank You. Yeah, these ones don't really go. But what I've done is I've pulled out this one here to decorate the inside, and I think we're going to stamp off. We're going to do second generation. So let's stamp. I know leaves aren't usually early espresso, but I want them early espresso this time. Oh, what about a third generation? There we go. And then whatever saying I decide to put in the middle will be an early espresso. Here we go. So fun. Whoops, put it in right side up. And there we go. There's today's card. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Let me turn you down. Thank you so much for joining me today and creating card number 3 with Encircled in Nature. So fun. Love this set with all the dies. Let me look here. There are 11 dies in this set. And some of them don't belong with some of the stamped images, so therefore there's lots to create with. I love it. So I hope you join me tomorrow, Thursday, August 1st, for another card with Encircled with Nature. Take care. Bye for now.